Tonight, new at 6, we are digging into a controversial new ruling that could have a major impact on our criminal justice system.
Ohio Supreme Court just ruled that some suspects who repeatedly commit crimes cannot face steeper penalties if some of those crimes happened when they were juvenile. So, starting today, juvenile convictions cannot be used to increase the severity of or changes to lengthen prison sentence once the offender is an adult. Megan Hickey's been digging into this decision. So, Megan, does this mean juvenile delinquents, in essence, get a clean slate?
Rob, the short answer is yes, and legal experts tell me it could have a huge impact on the way we treat repeat offenders. It's hard to forget the terrifying video of a school bathroom fight that led to felony assault charges for an 18-year-old student in Westlake.
It's a very, very serious offense.
It turns out that student, DeAndrew Smith, had prior rape charges in juvenile court. 19-year-old Jashawn Woods also had a juvenile record. He was arrested for murdering 17-year-old Brianna Fluitt last weekend.
He didn't care about her life. He didn't care about his. He didn't care about anything.
Until today, prosecutors and judges could use juvenile records to beef up adult sentences in cases like these. But not anymore.
This is a very big deal.
The Ohio Supreme Court ruled Thursday that people get a fresh start if they have juvenile convictions, then re-offend as adults. A notion that doesn't sit well with some victims and their families.
That's fine. We just catch them again. Stuff like this is so preventable.
The idea is if you've misbehaved twice, you probably deserve more punishment.
But legal expert Michael Benza tells me it's different for juveniles.
Their brains are still developing. They don't think the way adults do. They don't process information the same way. And we really are recognizing we have to treat them differently.
Former Cuyahoga County Judge Ken Callahan agrees. In his experience,
juveniles as children have not quite the brain capacity to form criminal intent.
And while he understands concerns from victims and their families,
I think that children should be treated differently than adults, and I think this decision keeps that distinction intact.
Now, Ohio joins just a handful of states that give juveniles a clean slate, but this has a chance for appeal, which could bring this issue to the U.S. Supreme Court. Live in Cleveland, Megan Hickey, News Channel 5.
And we